Welcome back, folks. Today we'll be showcasing another classic Filipino dish called Lechon Belly. That's right. Folks, I have been craving me some lechon in the Philippines for quite some time now. So, I know it's quite a task for me to come back to the Philippines to get my fix of lechon. Imagine. So here in the US, we have this huge online Asian market store called where I found this lechon belly. So, already marinated, frozen. All you gotta do is just set it in the oven. Pretty much. It's basically a variation of the whole roasted pig or lechon in the Philippines. It's just that it's just the belly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I prepare and cook my lechon belly fix. So stick around and I'll show you how to make them. Let's get started. Alright folks, for our ingredients, we got ourselves a 4.5 pounds of lechon belly, and also rolled and also tied up already, with ingredients like lemongrass, salt and pepper, some lemon, and what they call cebuchon mix and spices. Looks like a play for Cebu lechon. So there you have it. Let's do this. Alright folks, so following the cooking instructions in the packaging, I preheated my oven to 300 degrees and put my pork belly, looks massive here, in a tray with a wire rack. That way it collects all the oil drippings. As you can see, there's the marinade already, the pork. Also, don't forget, clean up the pork because it may have some excess spices on the skin. So get yourself a paper towel, moisten it up a bit, and just wipe those spices that you or excess spices that you find on the skin. That way it doesn't burn in the cooking process. So that's about it. I think my oven is ready now, so let's put this in. Alright, with the temperature set to 300 degrees, I placed the pork belly in the middle rack of the oven. And don't forget to set your timer to 3.5 hours. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like when we come back. Alright folks, 3.5 hours in. Let's see what we got here. Wowza. That looks gorgeous, folks. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how evenly cooked that is. So what I did is each and every hour, I turn the tray 180 degrees. That way I can achieve that even golden brown of the skin and of course the meat inside. Now, we're not done yet here. We're gonna still have to put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes, this time at 400 degrees, as per instructions. Alright, so let's set that up. 400 degrees. Alright, and I'll show you what it looks like once we're done. And voila, we are done. Our crunchy pork belly, lechon belly. I thank you for watching, folks. And until we cook again. Hey! Let's see what we got. Say hi, Kai.
Say
Hi.
hi.
Hi. Hello.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my love. Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish. Here's a video. A picture. Ayun, picture.
Woohoo!
Ashi!